So you can tell this video is gonna be a lot more relaxed because I'm in a sweatshirt right now instead of wearing, you know, like sweaters and deodorant and like being clean. Hello there, my name is Alex and welcome to my world. So the other day I put out a status asking what would happen if I made a video entirely out of making animal noises. And surprisingly, a lot of people showed interest. I think everybody thought it was a joke, but I'm actually serious about not doing serious things. And on top of that, I do whatever I want, so we're actually going to be making animal noises in this video. And it will be sexual. What's up, Doc? I am not a sheep. Ribbit, ribbit. What does the koala say? I don't know. I don't know. Where's the picnic basket? Hey is for horses. Nay. Oink oink. Moo. Wild oink. Glub glub. So that's all the time we have for this video to make animal sounds and be annoying because I'm pretty sure my neighbors can't hear me. In all seriousness, I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. It's been a very, very long time since I've made a not serious subject video, and it was just a nice break. If there are things you want me to talk about or do, please leave in the comment section below along with your animal sounds. That would be swell. I don't really know what else to say, just thank you for watching because it's really cool that you want to spend a few minutes watching me do weird things like that. That was interesting. Anyways, until next time, my name is Alex, and thank you for coming to my world.